So hello friends, we are going to upload a new video for you, and in this video I am going to show how I play Free Fire. Now we have landed on the roof of this house. Now we have got gun. Now I am going to take another gun. Now we will go downstairs. Now we will take medkit. So friends, now I am going to find enemies. First we will take a small loot and then we are going to find enemies. So friends, we have reloaded. Now we have got another medkit. Now when we will get enemies? Oh no, I think we will not get enemies. Oh, did you see friends? I have given a headshot to this enemy and this enemy is down. I like it. This shot is very good for me. Friends, did you hit a shot like this? We are firing to him, but he is running friends. So we have to reload. Oh no friends, we are getting damaged. Yes, we have killed him. So friends, now we have to get enemies because we have to kill and get booyah. He has only medkit. Now when we will get enemy? Now where is the enemy? We will run like this only. When we will get enemy, then we will kill him. So friends, my battery was low because I have to close this. Now we have to find enemies. We are searching for enemies. We will take a medkit here. Yes friends, we have found the enemy. Now will I kill him or not? Friends, give me your opinion please. Now we have to kill him. So yes friends, we have killed him. Now we are going to loot him. First we will take a medkit. Then now we will loot him. We have got so much loot. Now we are going to find enemies. So friends, we have got an enemy there. So friends, we have to kill him only. Friends, first we will see him. Yes friends, we have killed him. Did you like it? Now we will loot his box. Friends, after looting his box, I think we should go to the zone. Oh no, I did think it. Now I have seen the map and we are in the zone only. Sorry friends. Friends, we are not getting enemies more. Where the enemy will be? I want to find enemies. Yes friends, we have got an enemy. Now we have to kill him. So now we are going to kill him. First we will see where he is. I think he is in the warehouse. Yes, friends, he is in the warehouse. We shall go and kill him. Yes, we have caught him. Yes, friends, we have killed him. But friends, someone was giving damage to him. We shall kill the first who was giving damage to this enemy. Yes, friends, we have got him. First, we'll take a loot. Now we will hide somewhere. But friends, sadly, he has ran away. Now, friends, we have to find him. It's our work to find him. So now, friends, we are going from here because we can't find that enemy. But we have to find the enemy because kills are very important in playing a game. So, friends, now we are going. When we will find that enemy, now we will run like this only because we are not getting enemies. So friends, I know you are very bored. So friends, hear the joke very carefully. What will the monster eat after he has checked his teeth? He will eat the dentist because the dentist checks the teeth. It was a quite funny joke. Did you like it? So now friends, there are only 18 enemies remaining. Now we have marked the place. We have to go there. Yes friends, we have got a rickshaw and we will sit in the rickshaw. First we will loot. Now we will sit in the rickshaw. Oh no friends, someone is giving us damage. We have to kill him. He ran away. Now he is going to be killed. Yes friends, we have killed him. Now we will loot his box. So now friends, we are going back to the rickshaw. And we are going to kill enemies from this rickshaw. First we will use a med kit. Now let's drive the auto rickshaw. Someone is giving us damage. Now we have to kill him. We should find where is he. He is running. Friends, someone has given us a lot of damage. Now we will kill him. Oh no friends, he has ran away. But don't worry, we will kill him. Oh no, he is hiding from us. Yes friends, we have killed him. Now friends, we will loot his box. Now we are going to loot his box. After looting the box, we will go to the safe zone in middle of safe zone. Now we are going to find enemies. Yes friends, we can see a car. Now we have to kill that enemy. Someone has already killed him. There are 2 enemies remaining. We should kill them. We have found the first enemy. He is going there. Yes friends, we have killed him and only 1 enemy is remaining. We should also kill him. The zone is coming. Friends, he has got much damage. Now I think he is going to be killed. First, we should go into the zone. So friends, he will come to the safe zone because the safe zone is now shrinking. So we also have to go to the safe zone. He has given a small damage. I was very scared. But now he is going to be killed with 4x scope. See friends, we have to kill him. Friends, he has got very much damage. But he wasn't killed.